Fellow minimalists, or those aspiring to be, have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of papers, tangled cords, and distractions in your home office? Today, we're diving into the transformative power of minimalist design and how it can revolutionize your workspace. Welcome to Modern Minimalism, and in this video, we'll explore how a minimalist home office can not only declutter your physical space, but also declutter your mind, leading to increased productivity and creativity. And in the next video, we explore the best decor picks for your home and office space. Don't miss it. Let's face it, a cluttered workspace can hinder our ability to focus and thrive. From piles of paperwork to a chaotic mishmash of furniture, our home offices often become zones of distraction rather than productivity hubs. But fear not, we can transform these spaces into tranquil, organized sanctuaries. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our minimalist community. Now let's dive into the practical steps of creating your minimalist home office oasis. 1. Decluttering. Start with a clean slate. Remove everything from your home office and sort items into categories: keep, donate, sell, recycle, or trash. Be ruthless in your decluttering process. Ask yourself if each item serves a purpose or brings you joy. If not, it's time to let it go. Create designated storage spaces for items you're keeping. Use bins, baskets, and shelves to keep things organized and easily accessible. 1. Organizing. Invest in storage solutions that align with minimalist principles. Consider minimalist desks with built-in storage, wall-mounted shelves, and modular furniture. Utilize vertical space effectively. Install floating shelves or a pegboard to keep frequently used items within reach without cluttering your desk. Label everything. Clear labeling helps maintain organization and reduces the chances of items piling up haphazardly. 3. Choosing furniture and decor. Opt for multifunctional furniture pieces. A minimalist desk with integrated storage or a convertible standing desk can save space and enhance functionality. Keep decor simple and purposeful. Choose a few meaningful art pieces or plants to add warmth and character to your space without overwhelming it. Select ergonomic furniture to prioritize comfort and posture. A supportive chair and adjustable desk can make a world of difference in your daily work routine. If this video is resonating with you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 5. Lighting and ambiance. Choose lighting that mimics natural daylight to reduce eye strain and create a pleasant work environment. Adjustable desk lamps or overhead lighting with dimmer switches are excellent choices. Incorporate elements of nature into your office. A small indoor plant or a nature-inspired color palette can promote a sense of calm and connection with the outdoors. 6. Digital organization. Streamline your digital files and folders. Use cloud storage services or external hard drives to declutter your computer's desktop and improve access to important documents. Implement a digital filing system with clear naming conventions. Organize files by project, category, or priority to enhance productivity and reduce digital clutter. My next video talks more about digital minimalism, from how to apply digital minimalism to its benefits for productivity and creativity. Check it out for more insights. 7. Minimize distractions. Create a dedicated workspace free from distractions. If possible, separate your home office from high-traffic areas to maintain focus. Set boundaries with family members or roommates to minimize interruptions during work hours. Use noise-canceling headphones or background music to block out distractions. 8. Personalization and inspiration. Incorporate elements that inspire and motivate you. Display motivational quotes, personal achievements, or vision boards to keep you focused on your goals. Keep personal items minimal to avoid clutter, but include meaningful touches that uplift your mood and creativity. 9. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular decluttering sessions to prevent accumulation of unnecessary items. A weekly or monthly cleanup routine can help maintain a minimalist home office. Evaluate your workspace periodically and make adjustments as needed. Your needs and preferences may evolve over time, so adapt your office setup accordingly. 10. Mindfulness and well-being. Practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing exercises or short meditation breaks to stay centered and reduce stress. Prioritize self-care during work hours. Take breaks to stretch, hydrate, and nourish your body and mind for optimal productivity and well-being. To help spread this information to more minimalists or even non-minimalists needing this information, kindly hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you. Embracing a minimalist approach, you'll experience a host of benefits: increased focus, enhanced productivity, and a sense of calm and clarity are just the beginning. Imagine walking into your home office and feeling inspired rather than stressed. That's the power of minimalist design. Creating a minimalist home office isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a functional and inspiring space